Coach Dan Long with Get Lean in 12, and we are live. It's time for you and I to get our exercise on, and today I have two specific movements that are gonna be geared to help you, if you're over the age of 40, to get the dream body and the lower ab fat to disappear, and it's gonna happen really fast if you use these two movements. Now, today all you need is a simple chair, right? Find any chair inside your house, and I have some dumbbells. Today I chose 8 pounds. Now listen, there's a link up here. Don't click that link just yet, but at the end of this video, I have a specific system and more movements and exact protocols if you're over the age of 40 that are gonna help you get the dream body that you desire. Now, that'll be at the end of this video. Now, before we get into this exercise, 2 movements that I have that are gonna be specifically for you, I just want to say thank you for stopping on the feed. Thank you for helping us make our page so strong. We're over 100,000 likes now, like 110,000 because of you, because of all the people from all over the world loving all the content and great things that we're putting out for specifically people like you that are over the age of 40. Okay, now I'm 44 by the way, and I feel 24 because these protocols and these exercise movements are gonna be the ones that are gonna be the holy grail to help you get that dream body. Now, you're gonna grab your dumbbells. Today I have 8-pound dumbbells, very simple, okay? I also have this chair. Now, you're gonna grab your chair, you're gonna put it in position. So today I'm gonna put this chair right here, okay? Now, we're gonna do some movements that are specifically designed now to help you get that dream body, get rid of that lower belly fat, right? That stuff that's always so difficult to get rid of, which is that fat down below. All right, get your dumbbells. Now, here's what we're gonna do. First exercise, we'll pull this over to the center. We're gonna go just like this. Now, hands down by your side, put your dumbbells down by your side. Now, a step up, and for some of you that have bad knees, do your best. It's okay if it hurts a little, but not a lot. You want it to obviously not be a lot of pain, but step up, just like this center of your chair, step up, back down, and that is one simple movement. Now, let's make it from beginner to intermediate and then advanced, okay? Now you step up and then bring shoulders up and then bring it back down. Now, you probably can't see. I'm gonna come back just a little bit more. Step back up, dumbbell raise. See that? Dumbbell raise. Now, let's make it advanced. Advanced is gonna be, the step up is beginner, right? Intermediate will be dumbbell raises for shoulders. You're working shoulders, multiple muscle groups here, right? And then, I'm gonna do this to the side so that you can see. The next one's gonna be step up, raise, and then raise the back leg. See this? Raise the back leg. Squeeze the glute, squeeze the hamstring. That's 3 specific movements that are gonna help you get the dream body that you desire, but now we have to focus on some of the upper body. Now, your simple chair, that's all you need. You're gonna put this to the side, again, right to the side. Now, come back on the back of the chair, just like so. Put your hands on the corners, make sure the chair doesn't fall from underneath you. Bring your feet out, just like so, and then do a dip. Now, assisted would be just like this. 90 degrees on the knees, and then dip it down and bring it back. Now, let's go from beginner to intermediate. One leg, down, and then kick, and then kick. See that? Boom, just like that. Now we're working upper body, lower body, and you're doing specific movements that are gonna help you get your dream body. Now, let's go advanced. So, one leg on the ground, all the way out in a plank position. Now my knee is straight. See my right leg? Okay, dip it down, bring it back, and kick. Dip it down, bring it back, and kick. Now, beginner, intermediate, into advanced. Again, here we go. Assisted, simple, right? Bring the leg out. This is a little harder. Dip and kick. Dip and kick. Now, when you do that plank position, make sure that your knee is nice and straight. Don't have 90 degrees on it because that would be beginner. This is assisted, okay? Simple movements that you're able to use right here in your living room, in your kitchen, wherever it is, in your bedroom. You don't have to hit the gym anymore. These movements will help you get your dream body, and they will make you have all those cuts and those rips and get rid of that lower belly fat. That is the stubborn fat that just won't go away. Trust me, it doesn't take crunches to get abs. It takes multiple movements and protocols that are specifically designed for people like you and me that are over the age of 40 to get the body that you desire. And guess what? Today, because you stopped on this feed, I have a specific system that does exactly that. Now, when you go to this link up top, you're gonna see not only me, you're gonna see my wife, it's over 40. We have 3 beautiful children. And yes, she keeps her dream body using this exact system. You're also gonna see one of my partners and great friends, Sean Hassel. He's 46 years old. He's a grandpa, and he's freaking ripped. His wife, Karen, she's 57 years old. She's in the best shape of her life, and she's beat out colon cancer, shocking doctors from all over the world using this exact system. If you want abs, if you want a flat stomach, the over 40 ab and flat belly solution is the key, okay? This link up above. Now, if you loved everything you saw today, do me a favor, hit a like, hit a heart, hit a share this with one of your friends, and do me a favor, down in the comments below, say hi to me. I love to meet people from all over the world. It's amazing how far the reach is with social media these days, and how I'm able to connect with people like you and give you something that can help you get the dream body that you desire. I want to thank you for stopping on this feed. Again, you want me to go over the exercises one more time? I know you did. I know you did. I know you did. All right, here we go. Ready? Step up. Simple, right? Step up, shoulder raise. Now what? Watch, shoulder raise. Here we go. Step up, shoulder raise. Okay, now step up, shoulder raise, and then, don't fall, then a kick in the back. So what you're doing is you're squeezing the glutes. So I'm gonna do it this way. That way you can see. So you're gonna step up, shoulder raise, and then raise that leg. Raise that leg. And when you do that, you wanna make sure that you squeeze the glute and squeeze the hamstring with the quad so that you get a nice, steady burn. Movements that are specifically designed, okay, for people that are over the age of 40. Here we go. Dip, just like this. Triceps. Now remember, 90 degrees, simple, okay? One leg, and you can do a kick. Bring the leg straight. Now, you see, maybe I'll do this side. See that? Nice and straight. You dip it down, and then kick. Beginner to intermediate, and then advanced. Thank you again for stopping on this feed today. Don't forget to say hi. Click this link now. Take you to the over 40 ab and flat belly solution that you need, specifically geared for people like you that are over the age of 40 looking for that dream body. All right, have an amazing rest of your day and keep going strong.